In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a turbulent text effect, so if you are interested, keep watching. To start, select the Type tool and type your text. Adjust the size, font, and other parameters using the Essential Graphics panel on the right. Go to the Effects panel and search for Turbulent Displays. Then drag and drop it onto the text layer. Change the displacement setting to Twist. Then create the first keyframe for amount and set it to 5000. Create a keyframe for size and set it to 1000. Now move a little bit further on the timeline and set the amount to 0 and the size to 100. And that's it. That's how you create this turbulent text effect. For more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.